Hey guys, Bobby here, and in today's video I'm going to show you what I do when it comes to sending products into Amazon. Alright, let's get into it. So I have this bundle here that I have taken out of the We Bargain Bin and Bargain Bin supply boxes. This is a fake example bundle. This is a phone holder. I guess you would basically put this on the mirror and it would hold your phone. And I decided to put earbuds with this and to create a bundle. So basically what I would do is I would take this and put it inside of this plastic. I have one hand, so bear with me. In my last video I showed off this sealer. I will have a link down below to the description to that video showing you why you should probably get this if you are planning on doing bundles, and why this particular brand is now my new favorite. Alright, so putting this in here. So on the last sealer, it would turn off on its own after you press the button. This one does not do that. For me, that is a huge plus because I can control how long the heat stays on, and I just count maybe to 5 or 3. 1, 2, 3, pull on it, and you are done. So, well, you're not done, you got to do the other side, but still, you are done with that side. So, I need to move the camera down so you can actually see. So, I'm going to hold this right here, doing this with one hand, 1, 2, 3, pull off, and it is done. So, after you have this packaged, you will need some stickers. This is a keep away from small children. The thin film may cling to nose and mouth to prevent breathing. This bag is not a toy. Self-explanatory. It's a good warning label. So we take it and we put it on the plastic, and then we take this one which says this is a set, do not separate. And that is because whenever this goes into Amazon, you do not want the workers at Amazon to separate this, because this is a bundle. So after you do this, by the way, I will have a link down below to these stickers that you can get on Amazon, as well as the sealer and a few other things that I will show you here in a second. So after you do this, you would need to basically print out the UPC. I use a Dymo and a label writer. It's a Dymo label writer. It's a 450 and it's about as big as this. This is a set, do not separate sticker. You basically stick it on here. Basically it's the Amazon UPC, and you would stick it inside of the box. Let's pretend that this box has a lot of products in it. Don't have to be the same product, it could be a bunch of different products, and say that it's about 20 pounds. We're going to weigh it. It's going to be a lot less than that, but let's pretend it's 20 pounds. So this trusty scale here, I got this online. This is my new favorite scale. It actually releases and stuff like that. It's pretty neat. Before, whenever I was using a scale, I was weighing myself, holding the box, and then I would put the box down, and then I would weigh myself again and subtract it. This way is a lot faster. But anyways, we take this box and we weigh it, and this is 1.4 pounds. We would take it off of the scale, turn the scale off, and we would write down the pounds, which this one says 1.6. Let's go with that. And the reason why I write this stuff on the outside of the box is because whenever we tape this box closed after we put the UPC and the expiration dates and stuff like that on, if you're doing food, it'll have expiration dates, and you got to make sure that you know the expiration dates and stuff like that. And after you put it all together and you seal the box, you don't want to have to open the box up again just to figure out what the expiration date is, or have to go back to the scale to reweigh it, or if you forget the dimensions of the box. So after you tape it up or whatever, you would basically take a tool to measure. You would measure the box. This one says 17 by 13 by 14, we'll call it that. So 13, 17, and 14, we would write that down. We would have the pounds, the dimensions, and the expiration date on the box, and we would take the box inside of the house where you have your label writer. Okay, So basically what you would do after that is you would go to Amazon Seller Central and you would print off the label for this box and you would send it into Amazon. I enjoy doing FBA better than merchant fulfilled. I see whenever I'm doing product research that there is a lot of merchant fulfilled sellers out there, and I can't understand why. I don't know if they think that the shipping's expensive or what, but I gotta let you know. Sending a 50-pound box to Amazon costs about $7 to $10, and they do the rest of the work for you. After you find your products, you do your research, you send them in, and Amazon receives the shipment. You basically wait while they send the products out to the customers for you. You got to make sure those products sell. But other than that, they basically do the work for you. You do your research, you send it in, all that good stuff. They do the work for you. You rinse, repeat, and you start to build your business. Eventually, you can hire VAs. You can have them do the research for you. You can send it to another warehouse that does packaging, and you can have this business hands off. For me personally, I am not there yet, but I see that it is possible to do those things, and I want you to know that those things are possible. But this is basically how you get a shipment ready to send into Amazon. Like I said, the shipping is cheap. I will have a link down below to these tools in the description. I have it going to a kit website, and the link is called products I use for my business, and it will have these stickers, it will have this product, it will have this heat gun, and it will also have this scale. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys later. All right, see ya.